to my channel. Today I create office makeup and it is look like a very simple makeup. So I used home based product only. So now I am using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a very good primer and give a long lasting look and with glowing effect. So that's why I'm select this product. It's very affordable price. We get uh, anywhere, any shop. So it is a very affordable price product and it's a very natural, giving a beautiful beauty effects. I'm applied everywhere with a good space. Next time I applied sunscreen. I bought this sunscreen online. It is cost 500 rupees. So you can buy any kind of good sunscreen like Lakme and most products yeah same portal. I'm applied overall my face. Next step, I'm using compact knot talcum powder because it is a home based product, so we compulsory and must we have this talcum powder. So I use this Pond's talcum powder. You have any kind of, you can use it. I'm applying this help of brush. So face overall I'm applied. Next step, I'm use this eyeshadow palette. I select this dark black because I'm use it on my eyebrows. Just I fill it with this flat brush. It's not a flat brush, it is a like a eyebrow brush. So I'm just applied on my eyebrows. I filled that all places. I did a same my another side also. So that's look like very darker eyebrows because it's not a dramatic effect, it's also very simple way. So we need very simple eyebrows, so that's I'm select this way. Next time apply this orange shadow. If you want the very 3D effect means you first apply the concealer after you deposit this eyeshadow, but I don't require that kind of effective eyes. So just I'm select the simple way. So just I'm applied on my eye full of area, and after I'm using cut crease with help of brownish shadow. Both side I'm using this bright color orange and mild orange color. Now I'm start the creating cut crease. So I'm take little bit of brownish color. I'm start to circular motion on outer corner to inner corner. I'm drawing on my cut crease area. Next, I start to draw my eyeliner, my under eye. So I use this gauze. So inner corner, waterline towards the outer corner. I draw the straight line. The same I did my other side. I draw very well, give a very thickest eye gauze. After I draw my lash line, upper lash line. So this is the round eyeliner. So no measurement, even eyeliner we draw there. I draw this is the round eyeliner. So just I create outer corner and inner corner. Just I joined because I am require the even size. That's why I use this trick. If you can see any some places not fulfilled means just you correct it. Just you tap it and correct it. I am blending the black shadow on eyeliner area. So it's giving a very beautiful and 3D effect. So I'm both places upper lash line and under lash line both areas I am applied this black eyeshadow on the gajal liner. Inner corner to outer corner. So that's same did other side also. It's giving very good effect. It's similar to Nayanthara makeup eye makeup also, but I love this makeup. You can use it, it's for office or college also. Use your best kaajal. I used this mascara. It is beautiful long lash mascara, so that's I'm used. Today I skipped the fake lashes also because it's not require office makeup, college makeups not require the face fake lashes. Just I'm applied. I create beautiful lashes and little bit. I'm use this bronzer. I take little bit bronzer and apply nose area, create a sharp nose and create my bronze area. So it's giving a good and beautiful effect. So that's why I choose this trick. Even if you require means you can use it or else you skip this step. Just I use finger After that, I applied the blush area. So I'm using a normal talcum powder for hiding my compact, giving a natural effect. So that's why I take the talcum powder and applied and highlight my bronzing areas. Because bronzer is a cream based bronzer, so that's why. After I use this lip balm, it is beautiful red lip balm. It is my daily use. So now I wear this lip balm because today I skip lipsticks. That's it, my look is completed. Just I curl my hair. Subscribe my channel. Love you lot. Be safe. Thank you.